Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Idefine hair again. So this is the package that I got. First of all, there's the wig as usual, but I did get just a few goodies. I got an information card, a pair of HD wig caps, well, 2 pairs, and then this is the wig of the day. Now this is their Malaysian hair. It's an elegant short bob lace closure wig. This is a 5x5 lace closure. It's 8 inches long. This is how the inside of the wig looks. So you could go ahead and bleach the knots and so forth and customize it further, but it did come with this elastic band on the inside which you can adjust. Straps in the back, comb in the back. It's a very standard cap construction. It's a medium cap as well. Super beginner friendly. Really not much to go ahead and apply this wig on your own. It's an 8-inch, so you can just imagine how easy it is. Super extremely lightweight. I went ahead and cut off the excess lace after slipping it on, and that was pretty much all it was to it in terms of the installation. It's up to you if you want to go ahead and apply any melting spray or anything, but this is completely glueless and completely secure in my head. After doing that, I went straight into styling the hair. I got my wax stick to kind of get everything to look flatter. Outside of the box is not as flat, so I went in and just took my time, went through that with my hot comb, and it was super easy to just work with.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
After I was done with getting the top super flat, I went in with my flat iron. So I went thoroughly through the entire wig with this, which doesn't take a long time because, as you see, the hair is short. It's a very cute short bob, so it doesn't take a long time to finesse. So that's all I did here. Not much to it. As I said, very straightforward, very beginner friendly. If you don't have all the time in the world to be styling a wig, this wig will be perfect for you. Also, with gift giving season coming up, I think this will make the cutest little wig for somebody that is in need of something, a wig that's convenient, something that looks good. It is very demure. I definitely would recommend this for a gift.
Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
that's pretty much it, guys. That is it for how the wig turned out after styling. Super easy. If you're looking for convenience, this is your wig. I linked the direct wig down below in my description box, so if you guys are interested in getting this for yourself or somebody else, that's where you can find it. If there's any discount code, it will be listed. Shout out to Idefine here once again for today's wig look. That's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye.